This is to inform you all those who have stopped reading, who have stopped preparing for the PPSC test merely because PPSC has not announced for the written test date. Well, you should know that you are not going to be selected. I'm sorry. Always remember that only those who keep in touch with the books, only those who keep reading different books are the ones who will get through the written test. Believe you me. So do not wait for the test date. Rather, you should take it as a chance, avail the chance. You should be happy for the delay of the test, because the more the test is delayed, the better you can prepare. And I would rather suggest to all you, don't get slack. Don't go back into your comfort zones. Abraham Lincoln is believed to have said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 in sharpening my axe." So ladies and gentlemen, keep sharpening your axe. Don't wait for the date. Best of luck.